Hello.
Hi, baby.
You ready for this?
Daddy is 11 weeks.
And we are off. Hold on. Welcome back, Fat Boys. Today, it's time for us to go on our moto camping trip. You excited, Colleen?
Very excited.
Woo! We are going to meet up with some other people, and we're going to start heading our way down to Key West. So let's get into it. Gas time! Fueled up, both machine and body, via caffeine and 93 dinosaurs. Time to get on a turnpike and meet up with the group. Ready? Here comes the fun stuff. And now we get to go meet up with Claudio. He is at a Shell, so I will also top off on gas because getting all the way down here, I have used almost 3/4 of a tank. So fun stuff.
Doggo. Doggos.
Hi, puppers! Puppers! Yo! Would it be weird if I went up and asked if I could pet their dog?
Let's not do that.
I want to go pet the dog now. I want to go pet the dog. Pet the dog. Pet the Doge. Doge. Good Doge. I want to pet. Alright, alright. What's up?
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Mesh 1. Can you hear me?
Yep.
There we go.
There we go.
Colin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Cool. Can you hear Claudio?
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, that's so cool. I love Mesh.
I mean, do we really want to be disconnected? So, no yodeling.
No what?
No yodeling.
Oh, yodeling. Yee-hoo. There we go. The two Harley guys leading the way down to the Keys.
Alright, here we are. Everglades area, heading down to Key West. And to be honest with you, I enjoy this bike sometimes better than the Africa Twin.
Interesting.
Yeah, this one's carbureted, not even fuel injection. Yes, carbureted. I mean, it does have linked brake system. So if you hit the rear brake, the front brake activates as well.
Yeah, that's definitely touring. That's definitely coming from the Honda Goldwing. Now it's time for history time with Claudio.
Yeah. Actually, the one that invented that was the Italians.
For which bike?
On their 1970s Eldorados. The link brake system was basically when you would hit rear brake pedal on your foot, it would activate the rear brake and the front brake. Let's say on the bikes that had double disc brakes, it would activate the left brake, and then normally the rear brake is on the right side, so it would engage both brakes. So the Italians invented that back in the 70s. Then the Germans started putting it on their BMWs, and then Honda eventually started using it.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
Yep. Yeah, Moto Guzzi was the first manufacturer that invented the link brake system.
This has been History Time with Claudio.
I mean, I can give you so much history, but I don't think you want to listen to all that stuff from here to Key West.
I think Colleen would go crazy.
Now she would start to doze off.
Yeah, if you start sending her head tilt off to the side, that means I think she's falling asleep back there.
Yeah.
Colleen, are you even there?
I'm here.
Okay, I was like, wait, she's been very quiet the entire time. Oh, this is the worst road for getting down to Key West. It's one lane, there's nothing you can do, and you got walls and fences everywhere, and there's always an exit on here, so you're always waiting. You're always gonna wait on here.
And you got Monroe County Sheriff's Office and Florida State Troopers everywhere waiting to nail you.
Really? I've never once seen a cop out here.
I mean, if you start doing stupid shit out here, trust me, you'll get a ticket in 2 seconds. They don't want to bust chops because it kind of kills the tourism, and trust me, they're hurting for tourists right now after the hurricane. So they'll let a few things pass, but if you start doing stupid crap like, driving aggressively, hauling ass, cutting in between cars, stuff like that, more likely you're gonna get a ticket sooner or later.
It's not like there's that much room to do all that stupid shit, but if you're doing all that stupid shit, you kind of deserve to get a ticket on this road.
That's great. We have the Fat Boy and the Fat Bob up front.
Yep, we got Fat Boy Bob here. You see, it works out. Wow, look, there's that PD. There's that sheriff's office you were talking about.
I told you.
I'm telling you, this is the first time I've ever seen them on here.
Really?
Oh no, I know, because I work with them, and sometimes they get sent over here to do these details.
Stopping off at the oldest Bass Pro Shop in the United States. Woo! I'm gonna go say hi to some chickies. Chickies. We're leaving Bass Pro Shop and gonna start heading on over to get some food because it's time. Oh, delish. Great time at Green Turtle Inn. All of us are super stuffed right now. Time to start making our way down to the campsite. Nothing but gorgeous views the entire way down. It looks like he's about to fall asleep on the back of the motorcycle after eating all those pancakes. He's tilting over to the side. He's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna, yeah. Oh, look at the gorgeous blue water.
I want to go
It's so pretty. Oh, it's so gorgeous. See, just seeing the water makes me love coming to the Keys. Just seeing like how true blue all these colors are.
One of my favorite sights to see.
It's our wedding colors. Oh, it's so pretty.
It's gorgeous. Oh. Look at how turquoise it looks.
So beautiful. Nothing but blue skies, blue oceans, and good times. Woo! pretty out. Wacky inflatable tube bar man. Wacky inflatable tube bar man. Wacky inflatable tube bar man.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Welcome to Big Pine Key. Yeah! So Big Pine Key, and also the next island, which the next island is Deer Key, I believe. And both of these islands actually have their own species of deer, which are called key deers. And I'm gonna throw up a picture right here, and they're like the cutest freaking things in the world for deers. Oh my gosh, they are so tiny and so cute. Oh, I like, if I could, I would have one as a pet. There we go, Boyd's Campground. And we made it, guys. Let's get to it.